Welcome to Admissions and 15 Adventures.
Oh no, watch out! I'm kidding. Hey guys, we're at the Burnaby Central Railway in North Burnaby, British Columbia. This is a little miniature railway park. I'm trying to think of the right way of putting it. This railway set used to be at the Burnaby Village Museum, which will be coming up shortly on, if it hasn't already been posted. It will be very soon afterwards. And basically, it's just like a miniature railway set. So it's all run by volunteers. There's a whole bunch of miniature trains, and it costs you about $4.50 for a ride, which is about 10 minutes long. And they have different sets of, I guess Canadian National Railway trains, like the one you see above, coming right here. And you get the engineer driving the train, and all the guests open on weekends only. Great experience. You have a good time. It's not expensive. If you have children, the kids would love it. If you don't have children, you'll like it. If you like trains, it's a neat little experience. We honestly wanted to do 2 rides. I came really close of doing 2 rides because I had a lot of fun. It's been a very long time since I've sat on these trains. I think it's about 15 years. As you'll see later on the video, they have model train setups on the other side of the track. They have, I believe, 2 or 3, maybe even more, different track layouts. Depending on what you get, where you stand, depends how lucky you get. We were on the inside track. It's roughly the same thing. Hopefully you guys will enjoy what you see. So here is where you buy your tickets, right where this lady is standing. Ride tokens, as you see, are $4.50 to $40. Like I said, for a ride of 10, those are what the tokens look like. You will purchase your tokens, and then you get into the lineup that is right beside the concession stand. All those tents to the left are where you could book tents for birthday parties and different type of picnics. So people make a whole day outing out of it. So here's another train coming up that wasn't shown earlier, and then we'll have a steam train, which it was really impressive because it's actually it's run by a little fire oven. I shouldn't say oven, but it's run by fire, and it's really cool. It's not fire, it's steam. This is our train, and stay tuned for the whole thing. It's really cool. You could see him, he's looking into it. I didn't know it was all a little fire running this thing, so I will stop talking and let you guys enjoy this. Thanks for tuning in. It's always greatly appreciated, guys. Admissions and 15 Adventures. Hey, honey, try to give me some room.
Welcome aboard. Please keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times. Sit forward, sit still, arms in, feet in the car. has been coming out. So I rebent it and it's now holding in place. Otherwise, this large screw in line. You want to see the fire as well?
Can you do really? Where will it come out there? Right here? Oh my god. That's cool.